Armed with your cup of joe and your morning coffee report, you're ready to start making calls and selling cars. But what are you going to say? Or better yet, what are you not going to say? Our number one tip for Foureyes users: never tell the customer what you know. Not only is it a great way to creep someone out, but it's also an easy way to lose a great prospect. Use Foureyes lead insights to provide timely follow-up and share relevant recommendations, almost as if you can anticipate their wants and needs. But don't tell them you can see what they did online. Save yourself some side-eye and don't say,
"I was watching you shop on the website. I see you looked at a few minivans I have specials on. Want to hear about them?"
Instead, try this.
"I know we talked about a midsize SUV, but I'm seeing a lot of my customers consider new minivan models as well. We have some great specials running now. Open to hearing about those?"
Don't do this.
"You didn't tell me you were interested in a trade-in." "Yeah, I saw you were looking it up on the website. If I would have known, I could have gotten you a better number sooner."
Instead, try,
"I was looking over the numbers again and got creative. I wanted to share a new proposal with you and see if you were possibly interested in a trade-in."
and really, don't do this.
"I see you were back on the website and looking at new inventory last night, which, is funny because you told me you wouldn't be ready to buy for another few months."
Go with,
"I just learned about some great new lease incentives we have and thought I would check in and see if you wanted to know about them in case you're ready to buy sooner than we discussed."
Got it? All right, let's start dialing.